Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Take It Simple. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of Instagram message notification not showing on your device. Watch this video till the end to learn how, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a post. Firstly, open up your Instagram app. Now after you've done that, click on your profile, then click on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on settings. Now on the second row you can see a notification option. Tap on it. Now make sure the second option, which is pause all, is toggled off. If you have this toggled on, you will not receive messages or notifications, so make sure that is turned off. Now for your messages, click on direct messages and calls. Now on the second option you see messages. Make sure the message option is turned on. Now you'll need to check after doing this the message notification is showing or not. Even after doing this, if the message notification is not showing, then you'll need to again come back to this and click on additional options in system settings. There you can see the Instagram settings that you can manage. Now on the top you can see show notifications. You'll need to turn this on also. And if you scroll down, you can see direct option. You'll also need to turn this on. After you've done that, your message notification will start to show on your device. So those were the few easy steps to fix Instagram message notification not showing on your device. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We upload similar content about how to do stuff on the internet. So consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.